Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds t and d. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the t sound in the word try. Try, try. Now the d sound in the word dry. Dry, dry. Now I will use them both in a sentence. I will try to make it dry. I will try to make it dry. I will try to make it dry. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.